Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Just got here at the 417 house to do an estimate for roof cleaning, moss removal on the shingles. So when I got here, I noticed that the house is kind of under construction a little bit. New windows, refurbishing the house, and the main part of the house here that has the worst issue with the moss is right here and some black streaking right here. So what we can do, we're in the roof rejuvenation business. We'll do a cleaning process on the front of your shingles here, so you'll no longer see any of these black streaks. The day of service, all of that will be gone. And we'll, while we're at it, we're also going to spruce up your front awning here, because it's got a lot of algae growth on it. And it doesn't take us any extra time, just a little bit of rinsing time into it, and it'll look really nice. And then on your garage here, it's got a lot of moss. So a little bit about moss and asphalt shingles. What happens is over time, it'll grow roots in between the granulars of the shingles, and you don't want to power wash that off or brush it off, but you know, with our algicide cleaning, it'll actually kind of look worse before it gets better. So it kind of look like white cottage cheese temporarily, and then you know, within a week or a couple of months, depending on how much rains we get, the Mother Nature will wash all that moss off really nicely. You'll be good to go. The place will look brand new. I've seen it clean itself up within a week sometimes. So what I'll do is I'll break down some packages down below where, if you'd like, we can just wash the two sides here, the front here, and this side of the house where we got this green algae growing on the siding. And we can get all that spruced up real nice, removed safely without any high pressure cleaning. So you got a like aluminum or steel sided home here. The last thing you want to do is cause damage with improper cleaning techniques. Our algicide cleaning techniques, a gentle detergent wash, essentially what it does is it kills all the mold and algae at its root source, and then it turns brown, it disappears, and from there we use industrial grade equipment at 9 gallons a minute instead of 3,500 psi, and it's a really efficient system to get it cleaned up really nicely. So any questions you have about the packages below, or you know, our cleaning process, don't hesitate to give me a call on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. And my name is Eddie, owner operator. I'll be on every job here. Look forward to sprucing this up here. A lot of times, as a small company, you know, instead of spending a lot of money on marketing and advertising through the radio and TV, we will take care of our clients by helping you help us market. So by putting a yard sign in your yard, or you doing a video testimonial or a Google review, we'll actually extend discounts to you, because that helps us get more business. So look forward to working with you. Talk soon. Thank you.
The summer heat and winter cold turn your shingle roof into a brittle mess. Replacing it will cost you a fortune, and if this happens, it's even worse.
Think you need a new roof? Think again.
Introducing Roof Max, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven to reduce an asphalt roof's aging process. With Roof Max, you'll have the protection of a brand new roof and save thousands. Roof Max's skilled technicians apply a safe, effective, and affordable natural treatment. And within hours, you have a roof that performs like a new roof. Roof Max's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural, bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection guaranteed. Look, this is a 17-year-old asphalt shingle. It literally disintegrates. But here's an identical 17-year-old shingle that we treated with Roof Max's proven formula. It passed rigorous independent testing as a new shingle.
So your roof can even look like new. This neighborhood's roofs were ravaged by Hurricane Sally, but this house treated by Roof Max had absolutely no damage.
So a Roof Max roof can also pass a home inspection if you're getting ready to sell, or for insurance, saving you money. Check out our website to see impeccable reviews saving thousands of roofs and millions of dollars. Remember, a new roof can cost you tens of thousands, and who wants to deal with days of this? Keep your family safe and happy with Roof Max. Call